Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about the JavaScript libraries and frameworks. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing popular JavaScript libraries and frameworks such as jQuery, React, Angular, and Vue.js, and learning how to use them to build complex web applications. These libraries and frameworks provide a set of pre-built tools and functions that can help you to create powerful and interactive web applications more efficiently. First, let's talk about jQuery. jQuery is a popular JavaScript library that makes it easy to interact with the document object model, DOM, and handle events, animations, and AJAX requests. It is widely used in creating complex and interactive websites, and it is compatible with all modern browsers. Next, let's talk about React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is used for building reusable UI components and managing the state of your application. React allows you to create complex and dynamic web applications that can update in real time. Now, let's talk about Angular. Angular is a JavaScript framework for building web applications. It provides a set of tools and features for creating reusable components and managing the state of your application. Angular is a powerful framework that is used for building large-scale enterprise applications. Finally, let's talk about Vue.js. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. It is similar to React and Angular, but it is more lightweight and easy to learn. Vue.js provides a set of tools and features for creating reusable components and managing the state of your application. In summary, JavaScript libraries and frameworks are powerful tools that can help you to build complex web applications more efficiently. By understanding the concepts and features of popular libraries and frameworks such as jQuery, React, Angular, and Vue.js, you can create dynamic and interactive web applications. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to Orin-X. See you guys in the next video.